So these are just kind of like the trickier questions you might get on the exam, basically. I've tried to think of like, what are some tips for these questions? So I wrote down a couple of tips. So because these questions can be trickier, just going to start off with quite an easy one. Get your formula book out, try and find some formulas that could be helpful. So in the formula sheet, yep, there's cos A take B equals A, B, A, B. So R cos X take alpha is R bracket what? Very good. We could expand the brackets. Okay, any other thoughts? That was a great realization that that one is on the formula sheet. Tip number 1, we found a formula on the formula sheet. Tip number 2, look to each part of the equation. So we want to write square root 3 cos x plus sine x in that form, and that form is r cos cos plus r sine sine. So what is the cos part equal to? If you just look at the causes, we want to write that as, we want to write it as that. Cos x equals cos x. So what does square root 3 equal? R cos alpha. Do the same bit with the sine bit. R sine x sine alpha. So divide by sine x. What's left over? R sine alpha is 1. Sine x divided by sine x is not 0, it's 1. Okay, so if this is equation 1, this is equation 2, what's tan equal, do you remember? Sine over cos. So if we do equation 2 divided by, if we do equation 2 divided by equation 1, we'll hopefully get a tan maybe. So 1 divided by square root 3 r sine alpha divided by r cos alpha, tan alpha. Do you remember sine divided by cos is tan? Simultaneous equations to get tan. So what's alpha equal? Pi over 6 or 30 degrees. So almost there. We've got r cos x take pi over 6. But we still need to find what r is. How do I find r? Yeah, so we know alpha now. So we could look at equation 1. What's cos pi over 6 equal? Root 3 on 2 is correct. Root 3 on 2. So what's r equal? Divide by the fraction. R equals 2. That sum became 2 was what r is, cos x minus that angle.